So we're on to the last question of the exam, and it's a little bit silly. I think students have been exposed to this type of question before, but basically we had this V-shaped graph here. The sketch of y as f of x is shown below, and let's slide down to where we're told what's going on. So consider the equation, the absolute value of x is equal to k, where k is any real constant. So if we take the absolute value of f of x, then it's just going to flip this part below the x-axis up so that we get this W shape. And then it's about how many solutions we're going to get. So down the side here, I've kind of listed them out. So if we chucked a horizontal line across the graph somewhere up here, we're going to get 2 solutions. So when k is greater than 2, n of k, the function where the number of real solutions to the equation, will be 2. And then when we actually put the line right across so it just goes through 2, we're actually going to get 3 solutions. Then in between here, we're going to cut the W once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. So we'll have 4 solutions between 0 and 2. When we're on the actual x-axis, so when k is 0, we're going to get 1, 2 solutions. And anywhere beneath the axis, we won't get any. And then our job, once we've sussed that out, is to sketch the graph of the function on the axis below. So you can see I'm thinking, what the heck is all this about? What's the point? Anyway, I've copied the sort of the function down here. And so it's just really kind of watching out which points you color in and which ones you don't. So when k is greater than 2, so that's over here, then so we've got an empty line and it's always going to be 2. When k is equal to 2, we need 3, so that's a filled in dot. Between 0 and 2 over this interval, we're always going to get 4, but not including the endpoints, so they're left empty. When k is 0, we get 2, so we fill in the dot there. And for everything else, for k less than 0, an empty circle, there are no solutions. And that was the last question. And if the kids had time to get there, I don't think they really are going to struggle with that one. But maybe I'll be proved wrong.